high school days were start and silliness before I entered this place they call Meneses.
Ang pangit mo.
Come the day my vacation ended, come the day my future started. Time to discover what lies ahead, time to make a new friends. First time I stepped on Meneses,
I meet PJ.
and they have a weird place. Where in the hell and in God's grace did someone come to study in this place?
Gago talaga.
Enough with the discrimination. It's the first day of my college graduation. I step into this dwelling of tradition, where praises of shyness is in reflection.
Yes. Wala na. Bobo yan eh.
Ayun, new faces, new classmates, new faces in the block. Some are friendly, some have chosen luck. Some are white, many are black.
Ta- Different nation.
One thing is, we're all steady as rock. We were shy to each other at first, but for friendship, everyone is athirst. And days pass and closeness burst, that it's fine for us to be friends. Yes, it wasn't always that way.
Hindi naman natin close yan ah.
Had to go away.
Ah.
But when it came to that day, we seemed to be more okay. Weeks passed and we got closer to each other. That to each one we found a sister and a brother. That would always be there at the times of murder when our teachers